In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can unpublish your Wix website. So as of right now, my website is currently public. So I've clicked on the Publish tab and you can see here is my website. It's all published. So I'm going to show you how you can unpublish this. So to unpublish it, you can't actually do it in the Wix editor. You need to go to your dashboard. Now to get here, when you first go to Wix, once you've logged in, it will then take you to this window where it will show you all of your sites. Now you want to go ahead and click on select and edit site on the website that you want to unpublish. Then once you're here, you want to go to site and app on the left, then go to website. Once you're here on website, you'll see your blog, you'll see that it's live and it's published. What you can do then is go to website settings, and then from here you'll see site is published. Just go ahead and click unpublish, unpublish again. So now your site is no longer published and it should not load here. So there you go, it's unpublished it. That's how you can do it. I hope that quick video did help you out.